Trying to look up before I leave home.
This is great, man. So you do that in the morning over there, and then this is where you do all your work when you got customers.
Remember the guy outside one gone?
Yeah, I know. Kevin is not here. Kevin is
stranger.
here.
A stranger. And somebody,
One dumpling here.
One dumpling.
and somebody who you know, a stranger.
All right, that's all come. Can't do it.
Yeah, sweet me there, man.
The first is down in.
Yeah.
Mims,
Little bit.
want goat here. I want medium chicken for you.
They're waiting on it.
Yeah, man, do you think?
You want pumpkin mustard?
What do you got, goat?
A piece of fish.
Double plate. Nice. And don't let them rush you.
What you want? You say I want more than one dumpling.
No, that's it, Mims. Mims, that's alright, Mims. Not more than that, alright.
Any vegetable?
Yeah.
Do your thing, Mim. Don't worry about me. I'm just standing here, enjoying what's going on.
Yeah.
Do you get all the veg at that one stand, or just the tomatoes?
I like everything one time.
Oh, okay. So you guys are close friends.
Yes.
And which, over in, all the way in Sav?
Yes, all the way inside.
Wow, that's a long trip. There he is.
Yeah, man.
Last time Kevin is here. 20 Go to Kevin.
So how often do you go to the market?
Tomorrow.
Once a week?
I have somebody go every day.
Really? Oh, you got somebody else to go?
Later, yeah.
Yeah, later, man.
Me remember me breathing outside.
Alright, who is your brother?
Kevin.
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 You tell Kevin?
Yeah. Kevin.
Yeah.
That one, right?
Yeah. It's Stevie.
Who's on the 20?
Brown.
Okay.
Kevin, who is the person out here with rental baby? Somebody.
The first is here and he had already for you?
No, but he was calling. Are you?
We just serve it in a line. Yeah.
You soon get two
Yeah, it
some.
was before you have to serve it. Tell me to say, curry goat for chicken.
Alright.
Goat for me on next chicken. Yeah, goat on. So good for you, but Marty? No, she know. No, she know.
You okay?
No fish. And you have any more fish?
Get this guy out of here.
Eh?
No, Kevin.
Alright. So one goat.
Now, why is that in a separate pot?
This is yeah.
Cassava tonight?
Just fish and.
And keep your comments coming on Facebook and Twitter, facebook.com/televisionjamaica.
Oh, look at that gravy.
Medium chicken, I think.
The financial week and news from overseas.
Kevin, this is brown oil.
Wow, that plate. Let me see that plate. Hold on, hold on.
friend know.
Awesome.
Yes, Kevin.
That's like a work of art, man. You know that. That you could take a picture of that plate and put it in a museum.
Yeah?
Yeah.